Have you ever found an interesting title in a library database, but were unable to find a way to read the article in its entirety? In this video, you'll learn where to locate full-text checkboxes in library databases to immediately access complete articles, and if the article is not readily available in the database, how to request it through a service called Interlibrary Loan. First, it's important to note that nearly all library databases have a full-text checkbox that you can select, or may already be selected by default. Most of the Rasmussen library databases default to full text only. For example, one of the most popular databases used by Rasmussen College students is the Discovery database. In the Discovery database, you can click on Advanced Search, and in the Advanced Search menu, you can see under the Limit Your Results menu that full text is automatically selected. So this is what the full text button looks like in the Discovery database. If it's already selected, this means that this database defaults to return full text only. However, if you're not finding exactly what you need and you have a few days that you can wait, remove the check mark from the full text area to retrieve additional results that you can request through Interlibrary Loan. In the databases, full-text options and Interlibrary Loan will be represented through several different but easily recognizable icons. For example, let's search for the topic of change management. The results screen appears, and we can begin looking at full-text options. The second result, for example, has both HTML full-text and PDF full-text available. Click on either one to begin reading. Sometimes an article will say Full Text Finder in the same area. If that's available, you can click on that icon to check for the article's availability in other Rasmussen College library databases. If we scroll down the screen and look at result number 3, we can also see full text options for an ebook. Here we have the option of either reading the PDF in full text or the EPUB full text. Scrolling further down the screen, with option number 10, we can see the Request through Interlibrary Loan button. When this button appears, it simply means that the article is not available in full text in the database. So, if you desire to read the article, you'll have to request it through Interlibrary Loan. Interlibrary Loan is a service available to Rasmussen College students, faculty, and staff free of charge, though the college does incur fees for each resource received through Interlibrary Loan. So please be sure you're only requesting necessary resources. Articles are usually received within a few days, but sometimes can take substantially longer. Very occasionally, the article may be unavailable from any library. Articles without full text in a library database will often have this Request through Interlibrary Loan icon. When you press the icon, a form will open, and you can input your information in order to receive the article. Note that the article information should automatically populate in the form. You will receive correspondence and an electronic copy of the article when it's available from a library team member in the email account you provide in the Interlibrary Loan form. Preferably, use your Rasmussen College student email address. For help on this topic and more, check out our Answers database where you can search our frequently asked questions or chat with a Rasmussen librarian.